Hello, so for our group, we would like to present the future market trading. So this is our group members.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Idris. So first, we will be discussing about futures and options. So futures and options, commonly known as FNO, which are financial instruments derived from the stock market. Derivative get their name because their value is based on an underlying asset, such as share or commodities. In a derivative contract, two parties agree to buy or sell the underlying asset at a predetermined price on a specific date, known as the expiration date. This helps mitigate market risk by locking in the price for a future date. One party expect the price to rise while the other party expect it to fall, leading to potential profit for one and losses for the other one. A futures contract is a legal binding agreement to buy or sell an asset at a set price on a future date. In contrast, an option contract gives the investor the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell the asset at a predetermined price by the expiration date. So for this game, from 15 April to June 15, 2024, students are participant in a trial trading game with a limit of 50 trade and no brokerage fees. Each student started with 1 million ringgit to trade futures, aiming to generate profit. The trading asset included with FCBO, crude palm oil, and the FTSE Bursa Malaysia KLCI, which is the Malaysia Stock Market Index based in Kuala Lumpur.
Next, I will explain regarding to the list of instruments and commodity that we use in the trading game. First commodity are FCPO, which is stand for Future Crude Palm Oil and can be traded on Bursa Malaysia Derivative BINTI exchange. So this future contract allow trader to speculate on the price movement, and each FCPO contract represents 25 metric tons of crude palm oil. So the minimum price movement of FCPO is RM1 ringgit per metric ton. So the FCPO contract can be settled in cash or through physical delivery. The differences between contract price and market price at expiry determine the settlement of amount. The second instrument is FKLI, which is stand for FTSE Bursa Malaysia KLCI Future. So it is a future contract that can only be traded on Bursa Malaysia Derivative Berhad (BMD). So it is the main stock market index of Malaysia. So trading FKLI allow investor and trader to speculate on the future directions of the Malaysian stock market without owning the underlying stock. So FKLI contract are available for trading in the near term, next month, and also 12-month contract. So the contract are cash settled. Upon expirations, the settlement is based on the final settlement value of the KLCI on the last day of the trading day.
Hi, I am ATHIRAH with ROSSAMRI. Now I would like to explain about the roles of the group members. So we have two types of the analysts. First is the technical analyst and the fundamental analyst. So for the technical analyst, we have three people, which is me, ATHIRAH, LUQMAN, and FATEENA. So our role is to gather the record daily and the weekly of the variation in the price. We try to examine the price trends charts with using the trading views. Next is to analyze the signal with the indicators such as MACD and the RSI. So we try to evaluate the trade volume of the price changes. Next is the fundamental analyst. We have two members, which are Lydia and SALWA. So their roles are to track the market sentiment by analyze the social media, remain informed of the global macroeconomic development, and try to prepare and provide the research findings.
Next is factor affecting FCPO. The first one is price resilient. In May, CPO prices rebounded above the significant 4,000 level after initial volatility. This demonstrates the market strength and ability to recover from short-term fluctuation. Next one is surge in demand. Indian palm oil imports increased by 41% in April, highlighting the increased demand from one of the largest import markets. The next one is soybean crushing activities. The downturn in soybean crushing activities, which hit a 7-month low in April, could influence the CPO pricing due to the historical correlation between soybean oil and CPO prices. Next is factor affecting FKLI. The first one is depreciation of Malaysian ringgit. A weaker ringgit can attract foreign investment looking for value opportunities in the FKLI, influencing market dynamics. Next is commodity prices. CPO prices are crucial with economics and geopolitical development impacting broader market sentiments and investor confidence. The last factor is inflation trends. Monitoring inflation trends such as the recent 3.3 increase in US CPI over the past 12 months is essential. Ongoing inflationary pressures can influence global market perception and investment strategies in Malaysian futures.
So next, I will be presenting an overview of our trading games. So the table and bar graph on this slide illustrate the trading result of 6 individuals, highlight the key metrics like number of trade, profit or loss, and maximum return on investment and trading activity score. So first, let's look at the individual performance. So first, myself, Muhammad Idris, execute 30 trade, achieving a profit of 8,875 ringgit with an impressive ROI of 88.75% and a return maximization of 22.19%. This trading activity score is 12. Next, MAZLIDYATY binti MAHAT also executed the trade, earning profit of RM1,175 with an ROI of 11.75% and return maximization of 2.94%. So her trading activity score is 12. Next, for Nur ATHIRAH binti ROSSAMRI, she start to face challenge, executing 30 trade but incurring a loss of RM3,375, resulting in an ROI of negative 33.75% and a return maximization of negative 8.44%. Her trading activity also is 12. Next, SALWA NAFEESAH binti MAHAT executed 30 trade, incurring a loss of RM3,950 with an ROI of negative 39.50% and a return maximization of negative 9.88%. Her trading score activity is 13.2. And lastly, SYARIFAH FATEENA binti AZHIRI executed 30 trade, facing significant challenge with a loss of 6,200, resulting in ROI of negative 62% and return maximization of negative 15.50%. Her trading activity score is 12. So the bar graph visually compare the simulated trading income, providing a clear picture of each trader profitability. This comparison helps us understand the effectiveness and different trading strategy and risk management. Next, for the most profitable and unprofitable traders, so me myself managed to get the most profitable person. So during my trading game, I achieved a total earning of RM8,875 from 30 transactions out of 50 transactions. My investment in FCPO and FKL yielded an impressive 88.75% return on investment and a return maximization of 22.19%. The most successful transaction was a short position in July FCPO 2024, opened on May 30, 2024, and at RM4,012 and closed at RM3,934, regenerating a profit of RM1,950. However, I also faced a significant loss of RM2,150 due to an error analysis in my technical analysis when contracting a long hedge for FCPO futures on 7 June 2024 at RM3,989. This experience highlighted the importance of comprehensive research and effective risk management strategy to navigate the volatile financial market successfully.
Moving on to my trading transactions. So based on the trading game, FCPO June 2024 proved to be the most profitable. My contract began on 21 May. So I take a long position with the entry price of RM3,874. Following the day forward, the price increased as I expected. Therefore, I closed the contract with a closing price of RM3,953 and which resulted gain profit that amounting of RM1,975. Furthermore, the highest losing that I experienced on the game is in the FCPO July 2024 and it cost me at RM1,850. I made a short position entry at RM3,891 and I continue to lose my money on this future because the price is continually increased and did not match with my prediction. So to prevent suffering additional losses, I therefore made the decision to terminate the transaction at a closing price of RM3,965.
So based on the trading game that I play almost 2 months from 15 April until 15 June, so I got the value is RM996,635. So for the profit, May and July SCPO 2034 trade was more successful for all trade I have done. On May 24, I made a short position was established at RM1,630. On the same day, I closed the position at RM1,607.50 and a yielding profit of the RM275 as the initial gain. So for the loss, the difference between the lucrative and unprofitable transaction highlights the volatility and uncertainty of the financial market. For example, on May 28, I picked a long hedge of the FKLI and lost about RM2,550 and a technical analysis error cost me about RM3,375.
So my experience with MACD indicators on FKLI was mixed. It helps me make money with gains like 425 and 200 on June 4 and 6 by spotting a good times to buy. But sometimes I misread its signals and lost about 2,475 on May 27. So using the ROC indicators for short positions in FCPO was more consistent. It gave me a profit of 675 on June 6, 275 on June 14. So this result show how important it is to understand signal correctly and stick to the smart trading plans for doing well in futures trading.
Hi, my name is SYARIFAH and FATEENA binti AZHIRI, and I'd like to share my experience in derivative trading game. Throughout the trading period, I execute 30 out of 50 possible trades, ending with a total loss of RM6,200. My first trade on May 16 was a short position in FCPO, resulting in significant loss of RM4,050 ringgit. The most substantially setback occurred on May 31 due to a miscalculation and lack of discipline, causing a loss of RM3,475 per contract with 2 FCPO contracts. However, there were also profitable moments. For instance, on May 28, a long position in FCPO yielded a profit of 3,050 ringgit. Additionally, a speculative strategy with FKLI resulted in gains of RM100 and RM125. Despite the net loss, this experience has been invaluable, highlight the importance of refining trading strategies and risk management for future success. Now, I'd like to share the strengths and weaknesses we observed during our participation in the Bursa derivative trading game. Our strength is, first, effective technical analysis. Our team excelled at using technical indicators like MACD and ROC to identify market trends and promising trade opportunities. Second, profitability trade execution. We demonstrate the ability to capitalize on profitable moments, as evidenced by LUQMAN bin IDRIS, impressive 88.75% return of investment in FCPO market. Third, market timing expertise. MAZLIDYATY binti MAHAT, successful FCPO June 2024 by trades exemplifies our team's proficiency in timing market through technical analysis for optimal entry and exit points. Fourth, understanding market trends. Our ability to analyze market trends and price movements signifies a deep understanding of market dynamics, leading to informed decision and reduced misinterpretation. And I'd like to share my experience in derivative trading game. Throughout the trading period, I execute 30 out of 50 possible trades, ending with a total loss of RM6,200. My first trade on May 16 was a short position in FCPO, resulting in significant loss of RM4,050 ringgit. The most substantially setback occurred on May 31 due to a miscalculation and lack of discipline, causing a loss of RM3,475 per contract with 2 FCPO contracts. However, there were also profitable moments. For instance, on May 28, a long position in FCPO yielded a profit of 3,050 ringgit. Additionally, a speculative strategy with FKLI resulted in gains of RM100 and RM125. Despite the net loss, this experience has been invaluable, highlight the importance of refining trading strategies and risk management for future success.
Next, for this slide, I will explaining about several recommendations for improvement for trading strategy. There are several kinds of strategies that can be used in the future trading games to achieve the objective of making large profit. So first of all is by taking more risk. So in order to increase our income from the futures trading, we must be brave to commit to the risk. So it is better to trade with a large number of contracts so that we can gain much bigger profit. Other than that is to keep up with the news. We need to concentrate more on staying informed about news related to the future contract so that it can help us to use this technical analysis to make observations by examining the chart. Last but not least is trend following. So by using technical analysis tools like moving average, trend line and also the momentum as the indicator, it can help us to identify trend an entry or exit point. So it also helps to capture profit as prices continue to move in the trend directions. That's all from me.
Thank you for listening.